I'm not threatening you. Say one more word, and that's 30 days. 30 days.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame with your man TP. Today it is number 162 on the list for our compilation viewing on today. And today we will be in 3 different judges' courtrooms, and we will also be bystanders being nosy at another sovereign citizen traffic stop. Before I get into all of that information, just know that there will be commentary left in these proceedings and traffic and in this traffic stop. Also, there will be chapters added for you guys' convenience. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The earlier months of the year, for whatever reason with the algorithm, is very funny. So the likes, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribing, sharing, all of those things help with getting these newer compilation videos out. Now, the 3 different courtrooms we're going to be in on today. First, we will be in the courtroom of Magistrate Delia Burton out of the state of Michigan. Second, we will be in the courtroom of Judge Victoria Shackleford, also out of the state of Michigan. And last but not least, for our judges, we will be in the courtroom of Judge Shawn Perkins. Obviously, for those of you that know who Judge Perkins is, also out of the state of Michigan. And just to give you a heads up, the sovereign citizen that is in Judge Perkins' courtroom, I'm only going to share 2 of her appearances. For time's sake, I will put the rest of her appearances, including these 2, down in the description. There's a video where it has all 5 of her appearances, so I will put a link down in the description to that. And our traffic stop will be coming out of the state of Florida. As always, guys, I appreciate you. And now let's go ahead and jump into 162.
Chamberlain, just stand right in front of that one.
Oh, looks like HP is in the waiting room too. So we'll bring him in. All right, good morning, sir. Give me one moment.
Good morning.
Highland Park. Oh, is that Officer Monroe? Hello, Highland Park. Okay, we're gonna wait. Your name, sir, for the record.
I'm up your Roman Sesticate Trust legal fiction corporate entity defendant. That's what you want. I am one of the sovereign people.
Yes. Okay. All right. So this is for Eric Joseph Martin. And officer, can you tell me the person that's standing before you, who they've been identified as far as your records?
Yes, Your Honor. This is Mr. Eric Martin.
Well, I object to that any presumption that I'm a legal fiction corporate entity. I am a living man whose name is spelled capital E lowercase RIC of the capital M lowercase ARTIN family, one of the living people living on the land. Not the corporate entity defendant.
Okay, sir. All right, it's time to listen right now. Thank you and good morning. The court is calling case number 282-257-13-64001. The people of the state of Michigan versus Eric Joseph Martin. Appearances, please.
Jasmine Martin, P86378, appearing on behalf of Mr. Martin. Your Honor, who indicated that he wishes to represent himself, pro se.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Martin, this is an arraignment. And it's the court, never advises the individual to represent themselves, but you do have that right. You do have an attorney that's here that had an opportunity to speak with you. What's your position as it relates to this arraignment? So you'll need to know how to follow court procedure if you want to represent yourself.
I have a motion I want to make on the matter at the bat. I'll move to dismiss based on lack of probable cause. My sister just told a lie saying I put my hands on her. I told the cops, no, I did not. That is not fact sufficient for the belief, as the U.S. Supreme Court said, and if I remember right, it's Beck versus Ohio or Ohio versus Beck. It's a U.S. Supreme Court case. Defining probable cause is fact sufficient for the belief. There is no fact for the belief. There is no probable cause. I was arrested illegally. I want the cops charged also for arresting me illegally, which is assault.
Mr. Martin.
Hold on,
Mr. Martin.
It's
Sir,
kidnapping.
no, no.
Malicious
What we're
prosecution.
gonna do, because I want to tell you this, you could challenge the complaint. You'll have a probable cause hearing, and you'll have an opportunity to confront your sister at the preliminary examination. If she's not being truthful and the court hears that, then your matter will be dismissed if the court doesn't find probable cause. And if the court does, then the matter will be bound over. But at this juncture, I'm just arraigning you, sir. And that's all I'm gonna, entertain today. I'm not entertaining any motions relative to dismissal. The probable cause has been established.
I object.
It's arraignment. You can object, and your objections are noted for the record, okay? But I'm just arraigning you. I'm just gonna set a bond, and you'll challenge those matters at the next court hearing, okay?
But I have a right still to challenge it now because see, the officer filled out the complaint form. He's lying by saying he believes I committed. He can't just go off her word and say, "Oh, I believe he committed a assault or whatever or a crime." He's committed perjury just by doing that. I shouldn't even be arrested, let alone still be held here. That's what I'm saying. This is all illegal, violation of my due process rights. So, you shouldn't just be referring to a future date, whatever. Yes, we know that's true, but I'm saying as of right now, though, the issue is still ripe now to decide. It was no probable cause. I shouldn't have been arrested. I should be here now. The charge is dismissed. There is no evidence here.
Talk over me, Mr. Martin.
My
Mr.
sister
Martin.
has been caught lying before on video, which in another case was dismissed in my favor for her same lying self, and she was on video caught lying. This is why the judge dismissed her. So she really has no credibility.
Listen to the court right now. You'll have a chance to take care of those matters later. You'll address all those issues. The court is not trying to be rude. I'm going to arraign you. So I'm going to tell you what you're charged with. It indicates in the complaint that on 6/12/2025 at 9074 Clifford in the city of Taylor, indicates in count 1 that there was an assault or an assault and battery upon Lisa K. Martin. Sir, that is a misdemeanor that carries 93 days and/or you could be fined $500. You also have in count 2 a charge of domestic violence. That is also a 93-day misdemeanor. It indicates that you did make an assault or an assault and battery upon Lisa K. Martin. Again, these are just allegations. They're charges which you have an opportunity to challenge. This is an arraignment. I am going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. And officer, do you have any information relative to Mr. Martin's background?
Man, they previously had a lot of domestics with each other. He does not have any ongoing cases at this time, though.
Okay, so Mr. Martin, I understand that you were living at that location, but the court's not going to permit you to return there. You're going to have to find another place to go while these charges are pending.
That's the house I live in. I don't lose my due process right. It violates my due process. I can't live there because she makes up a lying allegation. I do not lose that right. That's my right.
You have a pretrial that's scheduled for June the 23rd. You have a pretrial scheduled for June 23rd at 9 o'clock. There is a no contact provision, and you cannot return to the Clifford location. And if you do, sir, that'll be a violation of your bond, and you will end up back before a judge in Taylor to address that. So thank you and have a great day.
Violating your oath of office, you'll be forfeiting your job. That's violating my constitutional right. I do not lose my right to be free just because someone tells a lie with no evidence. That's why I said this case is dismissed now. There is no evidence. There is no probable cause. You do not have the right to tell me I can't go here or go there or be at my only house that I have a right to be at, or leave this state and all the rest of the bull crap orders you judges like to just do traditionally. Like it's okay. It's violating people's human right. It's violating our constitutional due process. You judges are going to stop this with a class action lawsuit. I'm going to make you guys stop this habit that you're doing. So you might stop it now. Like I said, I'm not. It's not going. You're not going to get away. You're going to get away with violating my due process rights. Telling me I can't be at my house.
I'm done with this matter. Thank you, Mr. Martin.
House to go to anyways.
Okay, I'm done.
What is her name? Correct. What is her name?
Okay. Have a good day, Mr. Martin, sir. Take care. All right, we're done. Thank you, officer. Take care.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
Next, we have Mr. Martin. Mr. Martin, sir, are you ready to be arraigned? Can you come up here, please?
This is Mr. Martin. All right, this is 251756, the people versus Eric Martin. Mr. Martin, can you tell me your first and last name?
No, really don't want to give no name, so it's not fraudulent presumed on something else.
All right, well, I recognize you. You're Eric Martin. Sir, you've been brought to court on some charges here. Count 1 and count 2. The warrant alleges on June 12th of 2025 at property located at 9074 Clippard in the city of Taylor, a foreign complaint in this court was filed against you stating that on that date and location, the defendant, that's you, contrary to law, 1, did make an assault or an assault and battery upon the following person, Lisa K. Martin, contrary to MCL 750.81, parent 1. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and up to $500 fine. He's already been arraigned. Yeah, he's just. Oh, so you know the original charges against you. And part of those charges against you, let's see. You could not have any contact with the complaining witness, Lisa K. Martin. You could not go to the address at 9074 Clippard. And you could not have any contact through the phone. You couldn't go in person. You couldn't go to the residence, period. And there's an allegation. I've got a report. You were arraigned on these allegations. It looks like on the 14th out county by Judge Burton. And then I have a police report that alleges on June 16th, officers were dispatched to that location. And there are allegations that you entered the residence through the back door and were actually in the home at time of arrest for violating your bond conditions. Those are the allegations against you.
Well, I move to dismiss the charges because the alleged bond conditions supposedly against me, which is really not against me anyways, legal fiction, corporate entity, defendant, which does not mean I'm a living man. But anyways, besides that issue, the bond conditions violate my right to be presumed innocent before guilty. Because I am presumed innocent before guilty, any bond conditions violate my right. Because if I'm innocent, then I cannot be told you can't do this, you can't do that.
So, Mr. Martin, are you entering a guilty or not guilty plea on that violation?
First of all, I'm not a defendant, so I'm not here to enter a plea. How can I enter a plea? I'm not the one charged.
Okay, then I'm going to say you're standing mute. It's my understanding you've refused to meet with counsel. You don't want an attorney. So I'm entering a not guilty plea on your behalf.
So, okay, well, so have you made the legal determination that I'm not guilty?
No, sir. I'm doing it based on your arraignment. You understand the allegation against you. Do you? I just told you what it is. The allegation is you violated a condition of your bond on an assault and battery domestic violence case by returning to the address after being ordered you could not return to the address.
Well, like I said, I moved to like I said, bond conditions violate the right to be presumed innocent anyway, so that's no true bond condition, violation is legit anyways. And there's no probable
Okay.
cause for this case. I should have been arrested illegally anyways, because there is no evidence. My sister lied, her allegations are a total lie.
All right, you have a right to remain silent.
Why are you
Anything you
cutting me
say
off on that
orally
time?
or in writing can and will be used against you, sir. You understand what the allegation is? You were just arraigned on it 2 days before picking up this, the original charge 2 days before picking up this violation. Mr.
No, I did
Martin,
not
this is,
understand.
I hear you. This is standard for you. And I honestly, you won't listen to court orders. You think they don't apply to you. You continue to go back to a residence you've been advised not to go to. You have a $25,000 cash or surety bond with a GPS tether.
Well, first of all, I don't have, it ain't like I have a choice. I have another house to go to for one. Besides, it's
Okay.
violating my
Well,
rights.
now you do. Now you do, Mr. Morton. You've got another house to go to now. It's
Yeah, well,
Wayne
guess
County
what?
Jail.
If you
We'll
guys
see you
are
at your
violating
next
my rights.
court date. All right, thank you, officer. We'll see you next time, Mr. Martin.
Okay, goodbye. Mr. Martin? Okay, goodbye. Have a seat, Eric.
Well, guys, we have come to the end of both of these proceedings. I'm not going to do any commentary on that first one because I already did it yesterday, and it's not even a whole lot to say about either one. We see Eric Martin up to his old tricks again, same sovereign citizen lingo, gets into it with his sister. For whatever reason, he does not follow the bond conditions, and here we are. He was told specifically by Magistrate Burton what to do and what not to do, and he totally disobeyed that. And just like Judge Shackelford said, why? Because he doesn't really believe that it applies to him anyway. And also, he says it's because he has no place to go, which we see Judge Shackelford responds, "You do now," and that is in prison. Will he make bond again? Who knows? Will he make bond and go back to the house? Who knows? But like I said, I haven't covered this guy as many times as he's been in court. I've had the opportunity to. I've had some of the videos, but I just didn't really feel led to share all of those proceedings. This is probably my third and fourth one with Eric Martin, but I mean, clearly, it's, obviously it's something going on with this guy, but for him to constantly be back and forth in court and jail like this, spewing the same stuff, it's kind of amazing. But I will follow up in this particular case since, I started out, with that last proceeding in this one. I will follow it through, God willing, Lord willing. But with that being said, guys, comment down in the comment section, give your thoughts. I don't really have a whole lot to say on it. But hopefully he if he gets out, he does the right thing and just stays away from the house. But he already told Judge Shackelford, I have nowhere else to go. So more than likely, he'll be right back there at the house and probably more than likely back before another judge, maybe even before his next court date. But with that being said, guys, this is Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame. I always appreciate you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of those good things. And without, if there's nothing else, which I don't think there is, this is Sovereign Citizens Court, guys. And for now, Sovereign Citizens Court is adjourned. Thank you, guys. Talk to you guys soon, and God bless.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Destiny Graves, case number SB16, strike that, SB10699059, counts 1 and counts 2, SB172478881, SB1724805, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SB1724836. Appearance for the city, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Graves.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Destiny Raven Graves. That's capital D, lowercase ESTINEY, hyphen, capital R, lowercase AIVYN, colon, capital G, lowercase RAVES. I am appearing specially and not generally. I am here in good faith and under the under the protest solely to address the matters raised in my plea abatement. I am not here to delay the process, but to ensure proper identification and lawful jurisdiction are established in the record before any further proceedings.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Would you like counsel to represent you or no?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
I said today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Would you like counsel to represent you or not?
I actually am not open to proceeding until we establish jurisdiction over the living woman. That's Destiny, lowercase ESTINEY hyphen capital R lowercase AIVYN colon capital G lowercase RAVES.
Okay. Jurisdiction has been established if you are Destiny Graves. If you're Destiny Graves, if that's your name, then unless you have some other view of the court rule and you cite a court rule, the court is going to feel the jurisdiction has been established.
I understand, Your Honor, but respectfully, the name in all caps represents a corporate legal fiction. I am here as a living woman, not as a surety or a fictional entity. I respectfully require the court to establish, for the record, how to obtain lawful personal jurisdiction over me, the living woman, separate from that entity.
Well, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. I can either give you into the breakout room with the city with an attorney, and he can help you proceed, or you can proceed and speak to the city attorney yourself to see if you can work this matter out, or I can set a jury trial date and the matter will be resolved on the jury trial date. Which one would you like to do, ma'am?
Are you asking me if I would like to proceed for trial?
Yes.
I would respectfully, Your Honor, I would like to reserve all my rights under the UCC 1-308, and I object to these proceedings under protest and duress. My appearance is special and not general. I do not consent to the court assuming jurisdiction through presumption. If this court insists on moving forward without proving lawful authority over the living woman, I must note a violation of due process for the record.
Okay. So, I mean, if you can't give me an answer to my question, then I'm going to put you back in the waiting room until you can figure it out, and we'll move on to the next person.
What is your question, Your Honor?
I asked you, do you want to see if the attorney can get you an offer and speak with the attorney, or would you like to work out an offer with the city yourself to resolve the matter, or would you like me to set a jury trial date? Those are your three options. You keep on saying that same stuff is not going to change what your three options are, okay? So that's that. I don't need to hear that same recitation of what you just mentioned a minute ago. Now, what do you want to do?
So I'm sorry, respectfully, Your Honor, I do want to know, is this denying the abatement plea?
Say that again.
Is this denying my abatement plea?
I'm not getting into this, ma'am. I'm going to pass the matter. All right, let's go to, what is that? You're on, Ms. Mendez. All right. Destiny, are you there? Is your device working now?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your full name, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
What is your full name?
I am Destiny Graves. That's capital D, lowercase ESTINEY I-N-E-Y. Hold on, books. I'm sorry. Well, give me a minute. That's capital D, lowercase.
Yes, you can. All right, thank you.
Hello?
I'm sorry. No problem.
Hold on. I'm just talking.
Hello?
Hold on a second. This is the City of Detroit versus Destiny Raven Graves, case number SP 1069059. Counts 1, counts 2, SP 1724805, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1724831. State your name for the record, please, ma'am.
For the record, I am capital D, lowercase ESTINEY dash capital R, lowercase AIVYN, colon capital G, lowercase RAVES, and I am appearing specially, not generally. I am here in good faith to address the matter of jurisdiction before any other proceedings.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. You missed your last court appearance.
No, I appeared. What was it? Not just past the matter.
Yeah, but you left then. You left without waiting on me to recall your case.
Oh, because I had spoke with your secretary.
You don't speak with anybody but me. I give you the authority to leave or not.
Yeah, I wasn't aware what to do, what my next steps were to do. So I did send a letter to the clerk so that I could figure out what my next steps were, because I was confused on what past the matter was, and I didn't want to.
You need to hire yourself a lawyer, ma'am, or if you don't know the procedure, or learn the rules of the court rules.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right. So, what do you want to do? Do you want an offer or you want a trial date?
I'm sorry.
Do you want an offer on these matters or do you want a trial date?
Honestly, Your Honor, I would like to establish proper jurisdiction before moving on.
All right, the jurisdiction in the court's eyes is established. You got notice, right?
Notice in what way?
You got notified by the court that you had to be here, right?
Was I notified by the court?
You got a ticket, ma'am. So let's just. I
did have a ticket, but I did not sign any. I did not sign over my rights or anything, so I didn't.
You haven't given up any of your rights. Now, do you want to speak to a lawyer or not?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So you have two options now. I can let you speak to the city attorney yourself. You have three options. You can plead as charged to all the matters. I can let you speak to the city attorney yourself, and you can try to work out a deal for yourself, or I'm going to set a jury trial date. Which one of the three options do you want?
One second. You said I can take a plea, speak to an attorney, or set a jury trial date?
You can take a plea you can plead as charged. You can speak with an attorney if you just said you didn't want to speak to the attorney. But you can speak to the attorney. That gives you four options. You can plead as charged. You can speak to an attorney. You can speak to the city attorney yourself and try to work out the matter yourself with the city attorney, or you can set it for a jury trial. I'm not even going to set it for a bench trial. Just set it for a jury trial. Which one do you want? All right, I'm gonna pass it unless you
Now
figure it out.
I wanna write it down. I'm trying to figure it out.
All right, I'll pass it until you figure it out.
Okay.
Raise your hand in the chat once you figure it out.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Raven Gibson. Miss Destiny Raven Gibson. Ms. Gibson, I'm giving you an opportunity to make your mind up which you wanted to do. What would you like to do?
Thank you, Your Honor. It's not Gibson.
No, Graves, I'm sorry. Destiny Graves, I'm sorry. All right, go ahead, ma'am. What do you want to do?
I'm sorry?
What do you want to do?
Okay, I just want to say thank you for allowing me a moment to gather my thoughts. I am Destiny Graves, Destiny Raven Graves. That's capital D, lowercase ESTINEY, dash, capital R, lowercase AIVYN, colon, capital G, lowercase RAVES. I am appearing specially, not generally. I do not waive any of my rights. I am here to set a pretrial date under protest and to preserve my challenge to jurisdiction and proper identification. I respectfully ask that my objections remain on the record and that my appearance today not be interpreted as a waiver of those rights. I am ready to proceed with pretrial while maintaining these protections. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so I gave you 4 options. Which other options did you want to take? That's what I gave you time to figure out. You said all that other stuff. Your objection is noted on the record. So you said all that other stuff.
Right. I said that I will do a pretrial. I will set a pretrial date.
No, the day is the date and time set for pretrial. No. You're gonna either set it for trial. You're either gonna I'm giving you here are the options. We're gonna treat today like a pretrial date. On a pretrial date, that's the date where you go and speak with the city attorney and try to work out a deal. Obviously, it's obvious that you are not interested in working out a deal because you probably just want all the cases dismissed because you feel that you have the legal authority to drive or to ride on a cell phone and move around the city. You don't feel these allegations apply to you. So
no, Your Honor, it's not that I feel that they don't apply to me.
Wait a minute. Either you're gonna get a deal with the city attorney today. They're gonna do this one more time. You're gonna get a deal with the city attorney today. You're gonna speak to an attorney in the breakout room so they can secure a deal for you. You're gonna set a jury trial, or you're gonna plead guilty to everything. Those are your 4 options. Which one do you want?
Your Honor, unfortunately, I do not consent to move forward without showing proper jurisdiction over my living person.
All right, give me a jury trial date, please.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna set a jury trial date now. And you're gonna be in person. You're gonna have to come in person for this next court hearing.
And what date would this be? As can I also say that well, I also would like to add that I would like for my rights to be preserved under the process.
Your rights are going to be preserved. You haven't taken a plea at all today or not.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor, are you going to appoint standby counsel for a jury trial?
I don't think that is even necessary. I don't know. Do you want me to appoint you to this, Ms. Soroki?
No, thank you. I don't do the assigned jury trials.
Oh, I gotta go through the MDIC anyway.
September the 16th.
September the 16th. September the 16th is gonna be the jury trial date. That's gonna be in person on September the 16th, okay?
September 16th in person, what time?
At, we'll just say 8:30. Then I'm gonna set 2 other dates. I'm gonna set a, I'm gonna set a motion here. I don't think that's necessary, but I'll set it anyway. Motion hearing date. Oh, no, I'll just set a final pretrial date. Final pretrial date will be the day before, on September the 15th. So.
Okay, you said, say it again, a trial.
I'm gonna give it to you all. And so final pretrial date, write this down, ma'am. Final pretrial date is gonna be September 15th. You do not have to appear in person. You can come online then, but I do want all parties to appear. Ms. Snyder, are you there?
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I'm here. Is this Destiny Graves?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So make sure if your officers choose to, if they don't, we'll dismiss the case on the final pretrial date. Ms. Graves, all parties are going to appear on final pretrial date. And then we'll set a jury trial on September the 16th, 2025. Do I need to appoint? Do you want me to appoint an attorney to you to stand by and assist you on this, ma'am?
Sure, but I don't think it's needed, but we can we'll proceed with that if you like.
I don't know. Do you have a number that she can be contacted at?
Yes.
What's the number?
313-413-2976.
All right. I'll try to see if we can get an appointed attorney. But we'll just set a pretrial on. So come back on the date. 28th date is, we're going to add another court date, the 28th of August. Come back on the 28th of August, answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. And that date is set just to make sure that you've had contact with that attorney, okay?
Okay. So I just want to confirm real fast.
Go ahead.
September 16th, jury trial date for 8:30 in person. And then the final pretrial September 15th on Zoom. What time would that be?
At 8:30.
Okay.
And then another pretrial date for the purposes of making sure that attorney has contacted you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by that date, then we will try to get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay? That would be on August the 28th. So you have August the 28th, September the 15th, and September the 16th.
Is it the same time?
8:30, yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Ms. Further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right.
Hello. Hey, you ain't got one working brake light on the trailer back there.
You get out?
No, stay in the car. You have your driver's license on you, sir?
No, sir. Why you pulled me because of that?
Yes. What's that? What?
Let me show you something.
Oh, okay.
Put my window down.
Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
And before you call any of your friends, let me show you this.
Okay.
Because I live by right and law. Breathe. Because
Dude, let me explain something.
I don't have
this is just a traffic stop. Why are you turning into something?
Because I don't have to deal with this. I have somewhere I'm going and I know the law. So we're going to go through the law. I don't have to go with what you say is the law because I live by the Constitution. So you say, oh God.
Sir, can I just have your driver's license, please?
No, I don't live by that. Listen.
You have your driver's license on you? Because the registered owner of that trailer's driver's license is also showing suspended.
Listen. I'm gonna pull this out, right? And And I'm gonna give you the judgment that's going to that.
Okay.
Because we're gonna be here for a while because y'all did this. And I'm gonna explain you the whole situation.
So, license, please.
Listen.
License.
Why are you demanding something from me?
I'm asking for your license.
And I'm asking you what right you have. This is what we're gonna go through. See, y'all don't like this.
Now I'm gonna call my friends.
I don't call your friends because I'm finna show you.
Start some routine.
Okay. I'm
Sir,
gonna show
can I just have your license? I can get you on your way.
Yes, I'm gonna give you this. This. Read that.
No, I'm okay.
It's your life.
Sir, do you have your driver's license?
I'm trying to show you something for your own good.
No, I need your driver's license.
Look. This is for you. This is the law that I use.
Okay.
But you don't get to just choose your law.
Sir, do you have your driver's license or
I don't have a driver. That's
Do you have a picture ID?
Don't have anything for you.
Okay, do you have insurance on the vehicle?
I don't have to give you anything.
Do you have registration for the vehicle?
You're scaring me.
How am I scaring you?
Because you pulled me over out of nowhere asking me for something.
Right.
And under the Constitution right now,
okay.
I'm telling you, I'm invoking the United States Constitution due process clause. Okay. I do not have any duty.
Do you have identification?
I'm telling you, I'm going to enforce it.
Okay.
I know all the federal codes.
Can I have your first name?
No.
Okay, what do you think the solution is here today?
The solution is for you to go by law. You want me to adhere to your Florida law, and I adhere to the Constitution. Now we're at odds. Okay. But now there's a supremacy clause.
Stay here for me. Don't leave. You're not allowed to leave yet, okay?
What?
I'm going to go run some stuff in the vehicle. Not leave. If
don't
you leave,
don't run nothing
don't
on
leave.
my. Don't touch my. Please. Listen. So.
You know, I said just start and expedited. Let me go look at your vehicle real fast. I'll be right back, okay? Do not leave.
Call 911 because you're assaulted.
If you call 911, you're going to go to jail.
Okay, so come back.
Okay, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. This is stop sticks in case you decide to leave.
I'm not going nowhere.
Okay, sir, do you have your ID on you?
Listen. Now you're assaulting.
How am I assaulting you?
Because you just put something.
What's the definition of assault to you?
This is my property. I labor for it.
Can I explain this to you? An officer is coming on scene now. You're going to go to jail today.
Okay, for what?
Okay. Won't provide your identification.
I don't
You're
have
impeding my investigation.
What's the law? What's the law?
I don't know. Apparently you know it better than me.
Okay,
So
I
when
do.
you get with your defense attorney, provide all your paperwork in front of the judge.
The law said if it's the law, it doesn't begin then. It's now. You just said you don't know the law, but I do.
Sir, you need to step out.
Can you please?
Why are you?
This is Officer Leonard. Don't touch.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Get off my car. Get off my car.
Start some others expedited. Refusing to get out.
I was super calm and nice with him. You know?
So freaking immature.
Hey man, we just want to talk to you. That's not going to stop. It's not. Sure, hand it to me. Yeah, I'm more than happy to. In fact, if you don't want to talk to me, man. You're going to go to jail the hard way. Your car's going to get rain in it, man.
I don't care about
So you don't care if it gets rain all in it from when it gets broken? It is going to get broken. Here, you want to hand it to me? Do you want to hand it to me? I can't hear you through the window. I can't hear you.
my window down.
Okay.
I'm not scared.
Perfect.
But I want y'all
I'm not scared of you either, but I don't want to break your window if we don't have to.
Why are you going to violence?
Unless you're going to step out of the car, that's what's going to happen.
Listen. Everybody
I'm
here.
listening.
Listen, everybody here is a man.
Okay.
Listen, I know the law, and I know I'm enforcing my rights, and I'm trying to tell you.
Okay, right now you're misunderstanding the law, man.
That's what I'm trying to tell you all. All of you are commit a crime. Okay, I know the code, so I'm trying
Can
to.
I explain something to you?
Listen.
Then why should I listen to you if you're not willing to listen to me?
I want to talk.
I don't want to do violence. I would like you to step out.
Why are y'all putting all this stuff? I never said I was going to run. Why do you assume I'm going to run?
Perfect. I don't want you to run. You don't want to run.
So
We're on agreement with that.
Good deal.
Good. Step out for me.
Listen, I don't have to run. I'm going to put my window more down.
Okay. Great.
I talk to you because
okay.
of reason. Perfect. Back up. Can we all comply?
You guys take like a half step for me? Okay. Look, they backed up.
Let's go through the law. Y'all
Perfect.
Say, y'all say y'all live by law. I have the rights to do what I'm doing.
Sure. Can you show me where it says that?
You're supposed to know the Constitution.
Well, you have it in your hand.
Yes, I do, but I don't. Listen. The law.
I'd love to.
You don't get excused for ignorance.
Okay.
Let me let you.
Well, can you educate me?
Don't grab me.
This isn't me grabbing you. I'm literally pointing at myself. Because I would love for you to
This is
educate
what I
me
like.
if you say I'm wrong.
Huh? I don't listen. You're supposed to know this.
Okay, so help
You're
me.
Let me get the out. Y'all doing
Yeah,
all
come
this
on, man.
nothing.
Come on out.
No, y'all remove. Listen. When
Okay,
y'all,
then what's going on?
Here, take that.
Yeah, show me.
You're trying to be slick.
No, I want you to explain to me.
Listen,
if you say you know it, help me understand.
A little bit. I like what y'all doing, so now we getting somewhere.
Perfect.
I don't want to go through all this.
Okay.
Because y'all are wrong regardless.
Okay.
Because y'all don't know the law. And then when y'all meet people who do, y'all don't want to respect.
So where in the piece of paper that you handed me says this?
Listen, this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you a quick way you should know this.
Okay.
You been to traffic court?
Okay.
You've been to traffic court.
I have been to traffic court.
Where's the jury at?
Well, it depends. Are you going? No. Can you answer my question, right?
Huh?
Are you going in front of a judge for a civil infraction?
Call it a judge.
You want me to ask a question, right?
Okay.
I would love to ask it.
Okay.
Is it a civil infraction or a crime?
Civil. The same thing that you're attempting to do.
Okay, so then you don't usually have a jury for an administrative action. But right now, by not stepping out, this is where the crime is, man.
Look.
Okay.
Sir, jury.
Magna Carta. That says before the
jury. That's due process.
What's that year? What's that year right there? Where it's? I'm trying to point. I'm asking a question.
Why y'all always gotta be so violent? Look,
how is this? Hey, can you help me understand how this is violent?
Because you're. Look
I'm
at
standing.
my tire. Look at my tire. Look at I haven't even
the round things on your
I don't
car?
have anything to run for. I'm not
Perfect.
gonna run from you.
Yeah, it'd be hard to. There's a car in front of you.
I don't move the car. I'm not gonna run.
I don't have those keys, man. So listen.
Okay, so look.
You wanted to educate me about that. I've got a question about it.
Okay.
So you're educating me. You know, like students ask teachers questions, right? So if you're educating, let me ask a question.
Student, but I'm not a student. I'm not a teacher.
In this scenario, I would be.
Why?
Because you're educating
threatening
me.
Violence. How can you be a student?
Sure.
And
Can you tell me when I threatened you violence?
Look at my tire.
Okay.
Look at my look at my tire.
So do you want to point it out or no?
They're plotting, and now you're getting this. Listen, I'm gonna tell you how it's going.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
tell me all about it, man.
Middle District of Florida.
Okay.
The federal.
Okay.
That's who's gonna come get y'all.
Okay.
Because I'm pleading with you. I even called 911, and I'm telling you that I have a right to enforce code just like you.
All right.
The United States Constitution, I can use that just like you're using code.
Okay.
If I choose to invoke it, you can't overthrow it by Florida law. There's a supremacy clause in the Constitution, right? And so if you want something from me, I'm invoking my right to service a process. For this thing you call civil, go get a service of process, have the lawyer bring it to my house, the sheriff, have him bring it to my house. That's the law.
Okay.
I'm invoking
well, right now,
that.
what
If
you're
you
doing
have-
is criminal.
It's not criminal.
How is it criminal?
I don't live by permission. You can't give me permission. I bought this.
Are you going to step out or no? Okay. Are you going to? I'm asking you a question. It's yes or no.
It's not criminal.
Hey, are you going to step out? Yes or no? That's the question. It's a simple one.
Yeah.
Yes? I invite you to. Michael, are you going to step out? Michael, are you going to step out? Yes or no? All right. Joey, you're up. If you want to explain to him.
Hello, Michael. Hey, you've been legally stopped for a traffic violation. You have an equipment violation on the trailer. Your driver's license is shown suspended at the moment. We're going to give you one more opportunity. This is the last opportunity. If you do not step out to be placed on arrest, we will break this window and we will pull you out, okay? How you decide that happens, that's on you. Are you willing to step out, Michael? Are you willing to step out? Okay, he's bracing himself for the glass impact. Push. Hold on.
Not the middle.
I only got these ones. That's why I hate that window tint. Oh, there you go. Yeah, push it out, Michael. Can you bow it out?
I'm breaking my window. I paid for it.
Can you bow it out? Do you want to step out, Michael? Michael, would you like to step out now? Michael, would you like to step out? Okay.
All of y'all are going to jail. They tricked you.
It's the tent. There you go.
Get off.
Hey, Michael, you have to step on out now.
Tail light.
Step out.
Listen, get off.
Step out.
Get off.
Step out of the car.
You're a criminal.
Let's go.
Stop committing crimes.
Let's go.
Stop committing crimes.
All right, come on, buddy.
Stop committing crimes. This is my property. Listen, listen.
We don't want to hurt you.
Listen, this is my property. Hold hands.
Let go.
My property.
I don't want
My property. Oh God, y'all are such y'all need to listen. Nothing. I'm not a slave. I'm not a slave. Stop. Stop assaulting me. Stop assaulting me. Stop.
There you go.
Stop assaulting me.
A little lower. A little lower. That's two. Got it.
It doesn't matter. I'm under no obligation. No duty.
Take him to the car.
None. Y'all people are criminals. You don't care about no law. Take this shit. Listen, that is too tight.
Come on. I'll throw it on mine.
Okay.
Don't touch my gun. Don't touch nothing. That's mine. Take me to jail for nothing.
He's saying there's a zero on the car.
Yeah, it is. It's mine.
All right, you have anything on you?
What?
Where in the car is it?
Don't worry about it. It ain't yours. It's mine. I got a right to it. Bill of attainder clause. It's mine.
This is very unnecessary.
It is. It's necessary. It's a law. You just want me to comply. You're forcing me to comply with slavery, involuntary servitude.
You're talking about the law, but you don't know case law, sir.
No, it don't need case law. It's the Constitution. You're supposed to know it.
Sir.
You're supposed to know it. I don't have to school you on it.
Sit in that car.
Okay. Yeah.
Over a light?
Okay. Federal case law says you have to get out of the car when we tell you to.
Okay, and what case law? What case is that?
We were trying to give it to you
What
guys.
case is it?
Ma'am, I need those vehicle keys. I don't know who you are.
I'm.
Okay, step on out.
Oh my God.
There you go. Place your hands behind your back. Thank you.
Over a fucking trailer light?
Oh, no. This was because of how resistant he was.
And why am I in cuffs?
Because you were also resistant.
How was I resistant?
You pulled away from me with the keys.
In the car.
Yep, and you went over
Why
the
would
car.
I open the car?
You're legally obligated to when requested by law enforcement, okay? She's going to go to jail also for resisting without violence. Go put her in her car. Let's get her searched. West Melbourne 3 is here to do her search. Thank you.
You want me to call it then?
Yeah, can you do the tow? Yeah. Thanks, man. Then we'll search it real fast. Did I hear he had a zero on him?
Hey, clear the channel. No, I didn't. Hey.
I thought someone said he had a zero on him.
I didn't hear it. Well,
Okay.
I looked in the back. There's no guns back here. So.
1098, 1033 on city, 1098, 1033.
Oh, there is a gun right here.
You got one?
Yeah.
Center console?
Yep. Hey, in your request to do the 70, can you run this on telly? All right, it's on the front seat. It's unloaded.
I will say, when it comes to this traffic stop, the police were definitely being calm and respectful. To me, it seems like they gave him a whole lot of chances to comply, even when he was flashing his paperwork and saying, let me educate you on this. The officer was saying, listen, educate me on it. Tell me what it is that I need to know. And when he was asking those questions, it wasn't really much that Michael had to say on it. And when he did say some things, we see the officer even push back on some of the information that he was so-called providing. But eventually, because of the being non-compliant, we see the window it gets broken, which it took like forever to break it. I guess, with the tent being in the midst of on the window. But he and the female passenger, I don't know if it's his wife, girlfriend, friend, they don't really say. She also was arrested for resisting. He tells the police, listen, I got a gun. And that just goes to show you, he had a gun in there and he wasn't reaching. He seemed to be pretty polite. He just was resisting. But that's why these situations aren't really worth it, because they can really get out of control. You got the lady in the passenger seat. Let's say if they felt he was threatening, them or threatening to them, and he reached or leaned a certain way and they started shooting into the van, they could have shot both of them. Or let's say if he would have mentioned about having the gun earlier when he kept rolling up the window and halfway cracking and all that, it could have really turned into a really bad situation. But we don't know if the gun was illegal or legal. They don't really say, but they do both go to jail for resisting. And, you know, hopefully everything works out with them. But as always, guys, I appreciate you joining me here at Sovereign Citizens Hall of Fame. And to the next time, guys, Sovereign Citizens Court is adjourned. Thank you, guys, and God bless.
I'm not threatening you. Say one more word, and that's 30 days. 30 days.